I'm Sharon Jurd and welcome to my Biz Blitz video, and today I wanted to talk to you about why people aren't buying from you. And you might go, oh, I'm calling, I'm seeing people, I'm networking, but they just don't want to buy from you. Well, I'm about to share with you a few little tips and tricks around why that might be the case. Firstly, though, I want to say to you that you don't need a load of clients. And what we tend to do as business owners is go out and try and get as many clients as we can. And, we're talking to everyone, calling everyone, and we're busy, but they're never going to buy off you. What you need are clients who are wanting to change, who are really wanting to change, who have a need, who have a pain, who have a reason to move forward, all of those things that for them go, yes, I need you. If you're talking to people who don't have a need or don't have a pain, then they're not going to be the clients for you. They're not going to have the outcomes that you need, that they need or you need, and they're not going to give referrals and be raving fans. Secondly, you need to ask lots of questions initially. You can't just think that someone needs fixing. You go, they're standing in front of you, breathing and have a checkbook, they need your product or service. That's not the case. Spend some time to have the opportunity to find out about this person. Do they really have a need for your service and product? Can you really help them? You don't need to fix them, but you may be able to help them. And, I always say to my coaching clients and that are in business or coaches or speakers, make sure that you ask lots of questions. When we're coaching, and my SMJ coaches are coaching, we do a very detailed personal history. We do a discovery session, so we've got lots and lots of information about this potential client to make sure that they are the client for us, so we can help them as much as we can. If you don't have lots of information about your client, then you won't be able to help them as best as you can. And thirdly, choose your clients carefully. After you've done the detailed personal history, after you've done the discovery session, don't always say yes because they're standing in front of you, because they may not be the right fit for you, and that's when you need to refer them out. They may need someone who is more specialized in a different area, and it doesn't matter the amount of coaching you may do with them or the services you may offer, you will never get them to the outcome that they need. And it's not, ecological or ethical to take on a client that that you can help 100%. So what I mean by that is that if you take on a client knowing in your heart you can't help them 100%, then don't take them on. Refer them out to somebody else. Choose your clients carefully and make sure that those clients you are taking on, you can absolutely help 100%. So that's my shares for today. Firstly, don't think that you need loads of clients. You need clients who want to change. Ask them lots of questions so you know how you can help them, and then choose carefully and make sure you're choosing the clients that you can truly help. I hope this video has helped you today. If you think that this video would be of value to your friends, family or colleagues, please share my video, because I want to help as many people as I can, and I need your help to do that. I'm Sharon Jurd, and we'll talk soon.